Florida is facing another devastating blow. The sheriff's office on Midway Road in Fort Pierce has been wiped out by a powerful tornado at the start of Hurricane Milton. Hurricane Milton made landfall earlier today, and in its wake, a deadly tornado ripped through the area, directly hitting the sheriff's office. Emergency crews are rushing to the scene, but the devastation is unimaginable. The entire office was leveled within moments. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the brave officers, their families, and everyone affected by this catastrophe. Florida needs your support. Stay safe and stay prepared.